This is the RYOBI Speed Bench. In other words, a portable speed bench. I just did a full review on this like a week or so ago. You can check out. I'll give you a quick overview of this. Out of the box, there is some setup involved, but I did find a video online that showed you exactly how to set this up that RYOBI put out. So after I watched the video, I was like, oh, it's simple. So I put it together real quick. As far as weight bearing goes, they claim 400 pounds. I stacked 400 pounds of weight on it. Not a problem holding that up. I was surprised that when I took the weight off, the Workbench top was perfectly still flat. So it's a very solid structure on here that I really like. This also converts into a hand truck. I was corrected on the video. It's not a dolly, it's a hand truck. It does convert into a hand truck if you need to move boxes, etc. around. It's not bad if you had this on the job site or if you just need some space savings. As far as space saving goes, it does fold up into that hand truck mode or dolly mode. And then you can move that back out of the way, store it in the garage or whatever, and it won't be in your way. It does have some niceties on the top. In other words, it does have a scale up here on each side. One's in metric, one's in imperial, kind of a loose measuring. It wasn't perfectly accurate when I measured it out, so we'll knock them a couple of points for that, but it is useful for some rough measurements. I don't know that anybody's gonna be trying to do it like precision woodworking on the top of this with the measurements, but you could assemble on the top of it, but as far as getting measurements go, I probably wouldn't use it for that. Other than that, you do get the RYOBI Link System box that comes with this. It comes with one rail as well as the box that clips on, but other than that, you don't get much else. All right, RYOBI Speed Bench ratings. As far as ease of use goes, I'm gonna knock them a little bit here because of the assembly. The other two were basically already assembled. I just pulled them out of the box. We'll give them a 4 there. It wasn't overly difficult. I just would like to see better instructions in there so you don't have to go watch the video. Space savings, it's a 5. This thing takes up minimal space, and when it's folded up into hand truck mode, I don't think you'll worry about space with this. It does convert easily, so you don't have to worry about trying to fiddle with things and getting it collapsed back down. So that's a plus. Stability, this one is a little less stable than the other ones. Just because of what it is. It's a 2-in-1, so it's the hand truck plus the Workbench thing. And I just think that I would like to see it to be a little bit more stable. Not that it's unstable and will fall over, it just does wiggle a little. I don't think I would be unfair giving this a 3 in the stability rating. As far as accessories go, I'm gonna give them a 2. I wish that the RYOBI Link that come with it, if you're going to give me the box, a couple of things that were suggested in my other video, make those magnetic so when you do fold those up, then maybe the screws won't come out. And then also give us at least 2 boxes. You gave us room for 2 boxes, so two of those boxes or some other type of accessory there, maybe a tool holder style accessory that you could put on there for a drill, or that would have been awesome. You should have put that would be awesome. Give us a drill holder there and then the little box with magnets in it, then I'd give you a 5. But we'll give them a 2. If you know someone or a group of someone somewhere online that would enjoy seeing this tool video, be sure and share that with them. But before you go, hit that subscribe button, or you can check out that next video. I think you're gonna like it as well.